Alright, welcome back to the channel. On this video, we'll be taking care of a disaster beat sand detail. It's very satisfying, so stay tuned. Let's get it. Alright, as you can see, if Mr. Sandman had a vehicle, this would definitely be his. So we're going to go ahead and walk around the vehicle, let you guys see what we're up against, so stay tuned. Let's get it. As you can see, every crack and crevice around this vehicle is covered with sand, so stay tuned, stay tuned. I'm pretty sure everyone out there watching right now cannot believe how much sand is actually inside of this vehicle. We're going to look around a little more before we dive right into it. Let's get it. As you can see, there's a tremendous amount of sand inside of this vehicle. So we had to use extreme measures by blowing it around like this to try to remove all the ground in dirt out of the carpet, because vacuuming it just would not get it up. So stay tuned and you'll see exactly what I mean. Let's get it. And as you can see, moving this amount of sand around in the vehicle with an air blower like this, you definitely need proper PPE. So of course I have my respirator on, so stay tuned, stay tuned. And removing this amount of ground in sand from this carpet is definitely time consuming and very tedious, so stay tuned. We're gonna work it out. Let's get it. Right now I'm using my SGCB blow gun along with my duck foot vacuum attachment. And as you can see, even though I did speed the video up, you can definitely tell this is no easy task. Alright, let's slide the seat up. Let's jump in the back seat. Let's take care of the back area. Let's get it. As you can see, Mr. Sandman is definitely fighting us back. Alright, the vehicle definitely didn't have any floor mats in it, and the floor mats hadn't been in it in a long time. You definitely could tell. But I definitely think the floor mats were thrown away because there was so much sand matted down into the carpet that they tried to vacuum it and they couldn't get it out, so they just threw them away. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Alright, how's everybody doing out there during this global pandemic? I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's staying safe. And as far as us, we're definitely taking major precautions. You know, as far as this virus, we're definitely throwing away towels after they're used. We're not reusing interior towels. We're definitely buying new towels every week, as well as we're disinfecting the vehicles before and after we get into them. So stay tuned, stay tuned. And if you're interested in seeing how we disinfect the vehicles, the link for that video will be listed below. And if you have a product or a tool you would like to see on the channel, you can donate directly to the channel via Cash App. The link for that will be listed below. Just let me know in the comments when you Cash App me what product you would like to see. So stay tuned, stay tuned. All right, let's move around to the other side and let's see what's really going on. Now we're gonna see exactly how hard it is to get this stuff out of the carpet. We're gonna go around and vacuum it first, and then we're gonna come behind it with the blow gun so you guys can see exactly how ground in this stuff is in this carpet, guys. So stay tuned and take a close look. Let's get it. All right, this is exactly what I mean about the sand being matted down into the carpet and it just being stuck so much you just could not get it out by vacuuming it. I had to use the air mover to try to get it up, as you can see. So stay tuned, stay tuned. All right, as you can see, it's definitely been a long road to get thus far, but we almost done, so stay tuned. Let's get it. As you can see, it's sand definitely everywhere around this vehicle. Door jambs, every crack and crevice, matted up in the carpet, all in the vents, all in the cup holders, all in the center console. It's everywhere, guys. It's everywhere. And this is definitely a disaster beach detail, so stay tuned, stay tuned. As you can see, guys, just imagine taking on this job with a drill brush. There's no way we'll get it done. But I'm using continuous air. That's the only way I'm able to get this job done. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Please excuse the extremely shaky footage. Alright, as you can see, this was definitely a disaster beat sand detail. We definitely knocked it out the park. We have a little bit extra to do on the vehicle. My camera unfortunately died, so I'm gonna give you the best footage I have. This is the last little bit of the footage I have, but stay tuned to the next video, and we'll see you on the next one.